Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to unlock password protected PDF document. We have a PDF document which is password protected. We want to make it accessible to everyone without the need of password. To do that, open your favorite browser. Go to ilovepdf.com. Click on Unlock PDF icon. Click on Select PDF file, or you can drag and drop the PDF file here. Select the PDF file you want to unlock. Click Open. In the right sidebar, click on Unlock PDF button. If it is a simple password, it will be unlocked automatically. If it is a strong complicated password, you need to enter the password to unlock it. Enter the password and click Send. PDF file has been unlocked. Click on Download Unlock PDFs button. Once the download is complete, click on the arrow next to the file and click on Show in Folder. Try to open the file. As you can see, PDF is unlocked and you don't need to enter the password to open it. This is how you can unlock password protected PDF document. Thank you for watching.